We're gonna upgrade this system. So, just to give you a little brief of what is going on here, we upgraded the pump, we added a split flow, or just a split, because we don't want the pump to overwork. But as you can see, the water is really down. We need to refill this, but we want to upgrade it with the new... Where is the thingy? I want to show them the thingy. Where is the thingy? You don't have the thingy! This is the thingy! So, it's much bigger now. It's a 50 mil.
That's one big thingy. That's what she said.
Okay. This is a 50 mil. The other one we added is a 25, so we're going to upgrade it. As you can see, the system got updated, but that's not important right now. We'll make a video of that soon. There, we'll upgrade that one in between part. Now you can see, yes, we need to upgrade. So my uncle needs to open. Don't worry, boy. We're gonna move you to a bigger tank. Just be patient. That system still needs to do its thing, but there will be a video of that soon. But this is now more important.
Right, that is the equalizing pipe between the two buckets, and we found the flow goes from this side through here to this side and then down to the tank. But what happens is the string algae gets in here and it blocks this pipe. So we decided we're going to upgrade it to a bigger pipe. That was a 25 millimeter diameter. This is a chunky 50 millimeter.
Big boy.
Big boy. And we're going to use this opportunity as well to just fix some of these massive mistakes that we made in the previous fix.
Dude, look, there's like so much string algae there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, that's an issue. We really need to fix that. Yeah, I think you can see it now. Look, we need to upgrade this. That's what we need to do. Look at the fishies! Oh yeah, we also got some new baby fish as well, as you can see. We got some new fish.
Baby fish.
Aye, toast. So just rescue most of the duck. We don't have to rescue all of them.
As much as possible.
Yes. We can sacrifice the others.
Yeah, the algae.
I think this is enough. We don't have to rescue anymore.
Decidedly.
Yeah, this is enough. We don't have to rescue anymore.
Can you carry it?
I can't carry it with one hand. I need to stop the... this is gonna take a while. Yay. It's getting quite full now by draining those. What are you doing? Oh, isolation. What? TTFE tape. Cool.
Strong man, look at me.
Aye.
I am a strong man.
Boy. We're gonna sacrifice all this. We don't need it.
Yeah.
Very professional. Nice. We're gonna save that one for later.
Reuse, reduce, recycle.
Yay. Yay, bucket time. Not the most effective way, but it does the job. To eyeball.
Yeah, I am looking at what's working. Okay? I'm trying to find a way.
Using a ruler.
Yes.
What's gonna work? What's
I
the
don't
size?
know. Okay. So approximately 8 centimeters is approximately the middle of this. So I'm going to put some tape on here and measure 8 centimeters and 8 centimeters. And then I'm going to try to keep it center because we don't have a central hole. It's going to be moving around.
Pondemonium style.
Yeah. And then we'll see if we can drill the new holes nice and level.
Well, I guess that works. We're using duct tape. The sun is eating me alive.
Yeah, you cannot.
Nice. Huzzah!
Beautiful! This was how it was supposed to be done the first time, but not with 2 fingers.
Huzzah!
Right, let's see.
If it's crooked.
That's about 50 something. And 50. Not perfect, but very close. Better than last time.
Huzzah!
Like, how since you have to be the cameraman, I have to do all the work. Just show them what you look like so they don't forget.
Now they know how I look like.
Hello. Say hello. Yeah, that's the lazy guy that's just...
I'm not lazy. I'm the one recording, editing and all that stuff.
You're sitting on your ass.
Cuck.
Now, since we don't want to feed the fish microplastics, we are trying to get as much of the burrs and plastic out of here. Unfortunately, we can't move this one because it's glued there.
Yeah, as you can see, we glued it
very
there.
much glued.
So we can't move this one.
So I have to do everything here.
You know, if we had a detonator, if you have an extra guy to record, but no, we have to do what we have to do.
Got it.
Nice. It looks symmetrical and straight, not like it's going down like the old one. Look how nice that looks. Very nice, very nice.
En dis hoekom ek my hoed aan het.
I'm contributing to the project. So let's turn on this bad boy. Yes. There you go. Sweet.
So if you're wondering why the water is blue, it's dechlorinator.
There, the pump is flowing, doing its thing. Bang, do your bang. Now, the hope is that that upgrade will help a lot of the flow and everything. Look at it go. It was a nice upgrade because look at how much flow it's coming out of that. That was a good call. Good upgrade. I go fetch the duckweed now. I would say throw a little bit of that in this one. Just a little bit. Okay, and then the rest just chuck it all in here. Huzzah! That thing is doing its thing. Water is sharp. Okay.
For those of you who are still worried about this tank and that guy over there, It is still cycling. I was at a conference for a week, so I did not attend to it immediately. So it was our hope that today we would be able to put that guy in here, but it still has a couple of days to go of cycling. And that concludes our video for today.
Yeah, just upgrading this system.
Yeah. That concludes our video for today. Like, subscribe, and as usual, and comment. I've got some good comments on the previous one. And as usual, if you like the video, send it to a friend. If you hate the video, send it to your enemy.
Yay. Look at the fishy.